3, 2, 1.
The Tigris and Euphrates rivers are found in which modern country? The answer is C, Iraq. A company is designing a new laptop computer. The computer must not exceed a certain weight. Which of the following is the most likely reason to have a weight restriction for the computer? The answer is C, to make it easier to transport the computer. Which stringed instrument is also known as the violin da gamba? The answer is B, double bass. What is the name of the dwarf in The Lord of the Rings who loses his leg? The answer is B, Legolas. How did Mrs. Norris end up petrified by the basilisk in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? The answer is B, she saw a reflection of the basilisk. What juice makes a Cape Cod cocktail red? The answer is D, cranberry juice. Which branch of science is associated with the terms monocotyledon and dicotyledon? The answer is A, botany. Having polar bonds may make a covalent compound what? The answer is B, polar. The co-creator of Seinfeld, Larry David, supplied the voice of the eccentric owner of what professional sports franchise? The answer is B, New York Yankees. The star Betelgeuse is in which constellation? The answer is B, Orion. While driving or walking down King's Cross Road and Farringdon Road in London, few people are aware that unseen beneath them runs which river? The answer is B, River Fleet. Which Greek hero was known for his labors? The answer is C, Hercules. What is a large pot with a lid used for? The answer is A, steamer. What were the first names of the Tuscadero sisters, portrayed by Suzi Quatro and Roz Kelly on TV series Happy Days? The answer is A, Leather and Pinky. The country of Monaco is on which continent? The answer is C, Europe. Which instrument does Elvis Presley predominantly play? The answer is B, piano. What is the study of mental health called? The answer is A, psychiatry. Which is the densest metal on Earth? The answer is D, osmium. Which of the following sets contains only objects that shine as a result of reflected light? The answer is A, moons, planets, and comets. Which of these is not a part of the badger's diet? The answer is C. Insects. What food comes once in 30 months? The answer is B. Leap year food. In 3 of these movies, James Bond drove an Aston Martin DB5. Can you spot the odd one? The answer is A. Dr. No. Where would you find the highest tides on Earth? The answer is B. Bay of Fundy. What is the term for a market where there are many buyers and sellers, making it easy to buy or sell without affecting the price? The answer is C. Perfect competition market. Which of these is most likely made from only one material? The answer is C. A paper clip. Which is a learned behavior? The answer is C. A chimpanzee digs for termites with a stick. Who is known as the father of modern psychology? The answer is D. William James. Which Egyptian deity is often depicted as a jackal-headed man? The answer is B. Anubis. Which 1955 movie won 4 Academy Awards? The answer is A. Marty. Which organisms get their energy source and carbon source from organic sources? The answer is B. Chemoheterotrophs. What is fiscal policy in economics? The answer is C. Government spending policy. Which of the following numbers is closest to 14 when rounded down to the nearest 10? The answer is A. 10. Which economic theory suggests that free markets are the most efficient? The answer is D. Austrian economics. In the TV series Degrassi, the next generation Emma's stepfather is also her computer teacher. What's his name? The answer is A. Archie Simpson. What vegetable is used for the preparation of the traditional Arab dish called baba ganoush? The answer is D. Eggplant. If 2 objects have the same charge, then what will they do to each other? The answer is D. Push away. What is the most popular wind instrument in Western music? The answer is A. Flute. How many seasons did baseball player Hank Aaron spend with the Milwaukee Brewers? The answer is A. 2. What is the fastest moving object in our solar system? The answer is B. Voyager 1. Who is the director of the 1992 horror movie Dracula, featuring Anthony Hopkins as Professor Abraham Van Helsing? The answer is D. Francis Ford Coppola. Who played the role of Harry Potter in all 8 movies? The answer is A. Daniel Radcliffe. Which TV series features the Doctor and a TARDIS? The answer is B. Sci-fi show. General Hospital character Carly Jacks originally came to Port Charles as Caroline Benson and slept with which of her mother's husbands? The answer is B. Tony Jones. Who was the original host of The Gong Show? The answer is D. Chuck Barris. A soccer player kicks a soccer ball across a field. Which factor has the most effect on the distance the soccer ball travels? The answer is B. The force of the kick. What are the name of the factory workers who love cacao beans in a classic children's book by Roald Dahl? The answer is C. Oompa Loompas. Who wrote the novel Young Lions, which was adapted into a movie starring Marlon Brando, Montgomery Clift, and Dean Martin? The answer is D. Irwin Shaw. Plants and animals need food for growth. What happens to most of the food that plants produce? The answer is C. Food is stored for future use. What is greater than God, more evil than the devil, and has neither a body nor a soul? The answer is C. Hell. Who is the Japanese Shinto god of thunder and lightning?